Welcome, today we're going to show you how to hear your own voice in BandLab. So can you actually hear yourself when you record your audio tracks in BandLab? Yes, the technical term for this input is monitoring, and it is only available on voice audio, guitar, and bass tracks. So to get the best results with this feature, you will need wired headphones. So once you have your headphones plugged in, tap on the gear icon on the top of the screen access settings. So once you have your headphones plugged in, tap on the gear icon on the top of the screen to access the settings screen. Under additional settings, you need to turn on monitoring. You'll know the feature is on if you can hear yourself via your headphones. Also, another way to turn on monitoring is by tapping the headphones icon as seen from here. So when you open the app, here will be the headphones icon. So you need to just tap it to turn on the monitoring option. So that's actually how you can hear yourself and hear your voice, or if you can hear your music that you are playing while recording in BandLab. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.